Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG Scrunchie Club. And for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. My name is Lamiel and I am the creator of OMG Scrunchie Club. Today, I am rocking the OMG Scrunchie Barrette XXL, as well as the OMG Scrunchie Fangirl earrings that I was wearing in the previous video. So if you click on today's video, you want to know how to care and clean for your scrunchies. So I'm going to tell you how to do that. And I'm also going to show you a new creation that I made. It's not new, but it's something that I created just for my scrunchies. So the best way to wash scrunchies is to wash them by hand. You can use detergent as well as shampoo. Since it's going in your hair, you can use shampoo and your scrunchies will smell just like your hair smells. So you can wash them in a bowl, you can wash them at the sink, and you just fill it up, hand wash. I like to scrub my scrunchies together. When I was washing them by hand, I did this. And of course, you do not want to place your scrunchies in the blow dryer. You know why? Because scrunchies have what in the center? Elastic. And what happens when elastic gets hot and heated up, it will melt or it can pop. So it will weaken the strength of your elastic. So you don't want to put them in the dryer. You want to let them lay flat to dry, or you can hang dry them so you can get nice little clothespins and hang them up to dry like that. But guess what, my friend? I have a solution for you. Come close. Come close. Come close. Come in. So guess what? Check this out. I made an OMG Scrunchie laundry bag. Yes, you heard that correctly. Think of the days when you're in college, or you may be in college now, or you may just have this at home. You have that little laundry bag that hangs on your door or somewhere in your room. Guess what? Now you have one for your scrunchies. It even has the cute OMG Scrunchie Club tag on it. So guess what I do? I take my scrunchies, I toss them in the bag. Let's get this one off the line. I toss them in the bag. I pull the cord or the toggle. Guess where I'm taking this? I am taking this bag to the washing machine. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of washing one scrunchie at a time by hand, I can wash a bag full of scrunchies at a time. And of course, for the drying cycle, I will do the same as if I were washing them by hand. I would hang them to dry or lay them flat to dry. But guess what? This saves me a lot of time, because who wants to wash 20 scrunchies by hand at one time when the washing machine can do it for you? So you can just throw these in your regular wash load. Just make sure you put them in the scrunchie bag, and then you don't have to worry about searching for your scrunchies. Also, this can be used for those socks. Have you ever washed socks and then you go in, you put two of each sock, or socks, two of each sock, yes, that's correct, in the wash, but for some reason you only come out with one and the other sock is missing? You can use this for your socks. You can use this for other items that are small that you don't want to get tangled in the washing machine. For example, I've washed scarves in the washing machine and they will wrap around the drum. What is that thing called? I have the name in my head, but I can't think of it. It depends on how your washing machine is made. Some are just open barrels without the little... But if you know what I'm talking about, the little thing that goes in the middle that helps aggregate the clothes to get them washed. So I'm doing my edits on this video right now that you're watching, and I just remembered the name of that thing that I was talking about that was spinning around in the washing machine. It is called an agitator. It agitates and moves back and forth to help scrub or clean your laundry. So that's the word that I was looking for. Did any of you get that right? Agitator. Okay, let's continue with the video. But yeah, so this is a very versatile bag here. You can put whatever you want to put in it. If you're going away, you can even use this as your overnight scrunchie bag. Yes, I said an overnight scrunchie bag, or if you're going on vacation, throw your scrunchies in here for the week. And you can put them in here. Also, you can just use this just to store your scrunchies as well, instead of having a ton of the scrunchie holders, which don't really hold very many scrunchies depending on how big your scrunchies are. You can just toss a ton of scrunchies in this bag. Yeah, I can keep going. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. And thanks for watching this video. And if I didn't mention, please hit that bell for notifications, subscribe to the channel, and do like this video. I enjoy making YouTube videos. Yeah, just have to find more time to make more videos. And I do have other videos that I will be adding that aren't scrunchie related to the channel. Hopefully no one gets upset about it. But if you do, let me know. I'll have to make another YouTube channel. But I don't want to do that right now. But great. I think that's it. Have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.